loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna, and today's video is going to be my fall and winter luxury wish list. So if you want to see what's on my wish list, just keep watching. I don't know about you guys, but I love the summer, but I love winter. Like, winter is when you can pull out, you know, your furs and your boots, your thigh-high boots, and you know, your leathers, and I love that. So to give y'all a little hint, you know, some of that is going to be on my wish list. So let's start with what bags that I want. So the first bag that I want, I'm not even sure if this is like considered a bag, but it's this Alexander Wang, like kind of like a card case. It looks like a credit card and it's covered in gold crystals. I think this is so cute. Like, I can already kind of envision, like, you know, how I would wear it. I would try to wear it as like a waist bag because I just love that look. You may have seen like something similar like with Chanel. Like, I've seen like the Chanel version of it, and I'll insert some photos so you guys can see what I mean. But I just think this is so, I think this is like a really cute accessory to have. And you know, like, I just have to show y'all, like, I don't know. But it's so cute, and I like, when I saw this bag, I was like, I need this. It's just so cute. They also made it in the silver one, but I missed out on the silver one. And I also saw like another YouTuber like unboxing. She said she got it on sale, so I was just like, dang, that could have been me. But you know, I actually don't have like a bag that's like all gold, so I'm like, you know, things happen for a reason. And now that I have the crystal Prada bag, I'm like, you know what, I need an all gold moment anyway, so this is perfect. So the next bag on my list is so crazy because I kept saying, oh my gosh, I really want a pink YSL bag. Like, I just kept saying it, like, I want a pink YSL bag. I want a pink YSL bag. And I was on Berghoff Goodman and I saw this bag and I was just like, oh my god, I need this bag. Y'all, just take a moment, just look at it. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? The toy puffer and tweed or something similar. I'll make sure to write all the titles at the bottom, and I'll also link everything that I'm talking about in my description bar. But y'all, when I saw this purse, I was just like, it's so cute. And it's so crazy because now that I saw it, now I'm starting to see it like other places. I was on TikTok and I saw this girl had it, and I was just like, oh my god, it's even prettier in like in the videos and in person than it is like on the website. And I think it's so cute on the website. So yeah, y'all, I need this purse. It's so cute. What I want is, it's so crazy because I think this bag, it's something about it that I don't like, but at the same time, I love it. Like, I'm just so drawn to this bag. And it's this Balenciaga bag. It's like a shoulder bag. I can't remember what it's called. I'll make sure to link it. And it comes in so many colors now. It comes in like a lavender and a red as well. And I wanted the pink one originally, but now I'm like, oh, the red or even the lavender. Like what color would you guys choose? Like, everyone I show the bag, they're like, this is so ugly, but I think it's so cute. And I just feel like sometimes I dress like super like edgy, and I feel like this bag will complement my edgy looks when I am dressing edgy. And I'm like, ugh, it's so cute. So now let's move on to shoes. So the first pair of shoes that I want are the Tom Ford heels. Like, I think these are the lock heels or something like that along those lines, and they're so cute to me. And I feel like, you see how they're black and gold, they go perfect with my gold Alexander Wang little bag that I want. So I'm like, okay, that's like a moment together, you know. And I don't even know if these are comfortable or not. I need to probably like watch reviews about them, but I know they also come in like a all gold and they come in all silver. But I'm like, like, I just want kind of like a color block. Like, I like the black and gold, and plus I could wear when I wear black stuff. I'm not limited, you know. But I don't don't know. What do y'all think? Do y'all like the black and gold ones, or do I need another color? I don't know. We'll see. The next pair of shoes that I want are the shark boots. I know, the famous shark boots. I know. Everyone has them, but I feel like there's a reason why everyone has them, because they're just so cute. But honestly, my legs are like, I'm kind of like bigger at the bottom, like my calves and stuff, so these may not even look cute on me, so I may go try them on and not like them. So because I know how I am about like boots, but we'll see. I think they're really cute, and I love to watch people style them. I think they're perfect for the winter time, and I've seen some people wear them in like the summer, but I live in South Florida. It's always like 80 to 99 degrees here. Like, I cannot be wearing boots. Like, honestly, I probably can't even wear these in the winter. We'll see. The next pair of shoes that I want are these Louis Vuitton slides. I think they're so cute. I love the pink ones. I know they also come in like a bunch of other colors now. They have like black, and then they have like kind of like a cream color, but like the leathering is pink. So I think that's also cute. The only thing is with these, where I'm so iffy about them, is just that they kind of remind me of slippers. And when I went to Mexico, I tried on the light ones with the pink words, and I was like, oh, they kind of give off slipper vibes, and I don't think I want to spend so much money on slippers like that I don't wear outside. But I know you can wear them outside, but I don't know. They really give me house shoe vibes, but I don't know. What do y'all think? Do you think you could wear these outside, or do you feel like they can be there, or do you feel like they should only be worn in the house because they are slippers? But just let me know your thoughts on that, y'all. When I saw these boots, I knew that I needed them, y'all. Can we just take a moment to admire the beauty? They're just so beautiful, and I think they'll go perfectly with my Prada re-edition crystal bag. I think this would be like such a look together, and I feel like the boots could be so edgy to bring, like, you know, like I said, in the winter I do dress more edgier, like I dress kind of more girly in the summer and the springtime. But yeah, I think these are perfect. I know they also come, I've seen them in blue and purples and greens, and I just think the silver I could get more use out of, and I can wear them more often. And I feel like I can even probably wear these, like, you know, when I'm out of town in a place that's cooler for like the springtime or the summertime, and wear them with like shorts or like a jumpsuit set that I have that I'm like envisioning how I would wear it. So I think those would be cute together, and I could get away with wearing it in like the spring or the summer in like a cooler climate. But yeah, I definitely have my eye on these. The next pair of shoes that I'm interested in would be the Chanel trainers, like the all white ones. I think these are so cute, but I don't know if I also kind of like the Louis Vuitton, I think, timeout sneakers. I think that's what they're called. I also like these as well in the all white. I don't know. I just love the look of the trainers. I think they're really cute, and they could be like the classier look. I have some like all white Air Maxes, so that's why I'm kind of like, I don't really need another all white pair of shoes. But it's just something about the Chanel trainers that I just think these are so cute. Like, it's just something about them that I really like how they look on the foot, and the outfits that you can put together with them. Where with the Air Maxes, it's kind of more of a like sportier look. So yeah, that's why I am leaning towards those. Now let's talk about jewelry. So a jewelry piece that I've been having my eyes on, I do want some statement pieces from either Versace or Chanel. Like, I absolutely love their like statement jewelry, and I think it would be really cute for a night out. So I either want some either like earrings that are like dangling, or it can even be like a huge like giant stud. Like I'll show you guys some examples of what I'm interested in, or even like hoops, or honestly just something that's like bold. See, probably like in gold. I really like gold, so I think this would be so cute for like a night out, or to just complement my outfit. Or I'll even take honestly like silver too as well, because you know, when I have my silver looks, I'll think it'll be so cute to have like silver statement pieces as well. So yeah, y'all, and I just love Versace jewelry. I feel like it's just so like out there and gaudy, and just like I just love it, you know. So, and I'm from Miami, so you know we kind of like that type of stuff. So but I absolutely love like Versace's statement pieces. That's pretty much the end of my wish list. Let me know what you guys think, like which pieces are your favorite, or if you have any of them, let me know like how you like them. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am trying to do like a mini vlogmas, so like vlogmas for my birthday, because my birthday was this month. It was at the 1st, so I want to end the month just doing a video every day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.